The drone is here. Oh, there he is. He's been hovering in behind our house and all over the place. I'm really tired of this guy. He's been up and down and all over in our yard. He's got the guineas scared because the guineas are terrified. He comes right down in our yard. He comes right down behind our house. He's spying on my girls. He's up high because I have my camera in my hand. Get all the animals terrified. That's harassment and that's endangering my animals. He attacks and dive bombs my birds. He antagonizes them. He's got them terrified. You can hear it's close because they're terrified. He keeps coming right in behind our house, right in our yard, spying on us. That's criminal. I don't care what anybody says, that's criminal. He's right down low over here behind our house. I want to find out where he's at. He's going home to his owner, maybe. I want to find his owner. Oh no, he's right there. Oh, he's right over me. He's got to be going home now. He's right over us, Melanie. He's violating the law right now. He's very low. He's right over our yard, just above the gates, Melanie. It's a crime.
Well,
Melanie's talking to the sheriff and they're discussing.
Around the corner in our house, so probably the person who ran that is just near in here.
Absolutely he is, Melanie. This is not the first time. This cop this time is discussing with her whether they should do anything or not.
Yes. REID.
This is a crime in the state of Michigan. It's invasion of privacy. Spying on people, coming under a certain amount of height from their heads. It's endangerment. It's been over our heads. It's been in our yard. It's antagonizing my birds. It's endangering livestock. It's harassing livestock. And it's endangering humans because it's too close to their heads. And there's a bunch of laws he's violating. We're less than a few miles from an airport, and I'm sure he hasn't registered. And he's not in line of sight of his drone. That's another law he's violating. Because you can see him he's right here in the air, and his vehicle's around here somewhere. He's got to come down. He has a 30-minute flight time, and he's got to come down somewhere. And he's looking in our windows all the time. It's a federal offense. He's not in line of sight of the drone. That's a crime. He's flying too close to humans. That's a crime. He's spying in our windows. That's a Michigan state law he's violating. And he's too close to an airport, which he hasn't registered with and cleared it. And that's a crime. Because he's always here. Here's where they were parked last time. And they were off over here on the side. I think I know where they are this time, but I'm one person. The cops argued with my wife too much about whether they need to do anything or not. She got the wrong department. They came down for a charge. I think they grabbed a second battery. I think I'm on the wrong trail. I'm just one person. They didn't come down this way. And so they're not on this path. They're right over here this time. It's just impossible for me, one person. Well guys, I'm going to show you something that for those of you who know the people involved is going to mean a lot to you. And for those of you who don't, it won't mean a thing. As a lot of you know, that's all my land, down quite a ways. This is my land. This is Caroll Road. It's a easement through my wooded lot, through my land. My wooded lot continues over here a ways and on into my front lot. And right here, I'm going to try to bring the camera on and blur it with my finger. I'm not going to show an address. Right here on my land, on the corner of my land, I'm going to walk over and hide the number so I don't get in trouble. But there's something that I want you to see right here on my land, okay? I'm going to walk over. I can't get in trouble with YouTube for showing the number. So I'm showing you unbroken that this is what we got. Now, there is something of incredible interest. This is on my land. Caroll Road, that's my property. Now, if any of you have been in doubt before, there's no doubt at all now that Peeping Ken, who hangs out in a house with an easement on my property, is involved. That should speak volumes to you guys. And again, this is my property. There's my purple paint on the tree, and my house is right in here. So it's marked right on my land.